How to loop video in CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can loop video on CapCut app. Now to do so is quite simple. What you need to do is open up the CapCut app first, and here you can skip the login if you want, or you can log into your account. Now here you can either create a new project or choose it from your projects that you have saved. Now I'll just choose a new project quickly. Here you can select from your gallery. Now add video on your editing option. Here you can see the video has opened up. It's a short one. Now to loop a video, what you can do is simply select the video, and once you select the video, at the bottom of your screen you'll find the various options. Simply swipe to right until you find the option copy. Now you can see the option copy. What you want to do is simply tap on copy and it'll be copied. Now you can see there's two video now. Simply tap on copy again and tap on copy as to the number of times you want to loop the video. So this way you can loop video in CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.